So next up, guys, got a nice older self-propelled sprayer here. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but it's a ROGATOR 854. You have the 60-80 boom. I'll kind of go around here, but it does have all the fenders on it, guys. Rubber looks to be in pretty good shape. It's got a Cummins diesel motor, 750-gallon stainless steel tank. I think he said it's right at 5,200 hours. We'll have obviously pictures, all that. We'll have lots of close-ups and all the with the listing as well. But you got big LED light bars going off both sides. Interior, guys, you got heat, AC, hydrostat transmission. A couple recent repairs they've done. They just put a new chemical pump in it. And then also about 100 hours ago, did a new wheel motor for the hydrostat drive there. So I'm here with Mike. He's gonna go ahead, fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. We'll kind of spread it out. And make sure, yeah, good opportunity. He was wanting to do a little spraying today, so figured get out here and kind of see it in action and get a good demo. Like I said, they just did a new chemical pump in it. They also, within 100 hours ago, did that hydrostat wheel motor as well. So comes from a good home, farmer, does a lot of maintenance. Stuff been working over that way. So drop it down here and get you a pass. I'll put her in reverse quick. I just said do reverse just so you guys can see it go forward and reverse, obviously. You did drop the chemical there. So he's got it all the way extended 80 foot there. Spin her around here in a minute and come back our way. Not bad there. I got my hand partially in the video. Like I said, it's a ROGATOR 854. Back out there for you. Just closer again. So there's the demo, guys, on the ROGATOR 854 self-propelled sprayer. We'll make sure to get you a lot of pictures, a lot of close-ups here, but I just wanted to get a nice demo of it in action. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.